Healthcare Compliance Solutions, or HCS for short, represents a portfolio of regulated waste, compliance, and sustainability services that free up our customers to perform their most important task, taking care of patients. And who are these customers? Well, we split them into categories based on the regulatory classification and amount of waste generated at a single location. Large quantity generators, commonly referred to as LQ customers, are mainly hospitals and IDNs, while small quantity generators, or SQ customers, can be doctor and dentist offices, schools, or veterinarians, just to name a few. Management of regulated medical waste is where the Stericycle story began back in 1989. We started one of the first services to treat infectious waste from healthcare practices. Today, we are the industry leader, safely managing over 1 billion pounds of waste each year that requires specific handling, treatment, disposal, and tracking. Let's go into detail about some of the specific service offerings in the HCS portfolio. Regulated medical waste. Our driver team members visit SQ and LQ customers and collect their medical waste in red bags or in sharps containers. Customers package their medical waste and we safely transport it for processing to our operations sites with a complete chain of custody. Sharps Management Service. Our Sharps Management Service, or SMS, is similar and for high-volume sites. Think of it as an additional level of service where our Stericycle team members proactively change reusable sharps containers, and then we transport the waste to our processing locations. And since each container can be reused up to 600 times, SMS has kept well over 150 million sharps containers out of landfills. Talk about a safe and green solution. Compliance services. While the management of medical waste is a big part of HCS, we also serve an important role in keeping customers educated and compliant with regulations such as OSHA, HIPAA, and more. The compliance programs we offer on mystericycle.com provide state-of-the-art training, tools, and reporting, all on the size and scale that works for their organization. Bottom line, we're compliance educators, helping protect organizations and keep staff safe. Pharmaceutical waste compliance. Put simply, pharmaceutical waste compliance refers to the proper disposal of hazardous and non-hazardous drug wastes to ensure that they don't end up on the street or in our water. We support the entire process from training and waste characterization, container systems to transportation, and finally, disposal in compliance with the specific government regulations that are in place. Specialty waste management. What about the hazardous waste that healthcare facilities generate every day? Things like lab packs, liquid chemicals, and universal waste. Well, of course we have a solution, and we call it specialty waste management. From handling, which includes proper segregation, to safe transport and environmentally conscious processing and disposal, we're the industry experts. Integrated waste stream solutions. Many of our hospital customers rely on us for several of the services we've discussed so far. So we created Integrated Waste Stream Solutions, or IWSS, to provide the customer with a single point of contact for all their needs. A Stericycle team member cultivates the relationship by ensuring compliance, educating the customer, incorporating environmental best practices, and diverting volume from landfill. IWSS truly is a turnkey solution. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of the role that Stericycle HCS plays in healthcare. It takes a talented and diverse team to protect our customers, the public, and the environment, and that's exactly what we have. And when the ever-changing and challenging healthcare landscape puts added demands on our customers, we'll be there with a new solution. Because that's what we do. And that's HCS.